Three different ways of merging or concatenating dictionaries in Python. So let's say you have dict1 and dict2 and you want to merge them together. One popular and most known way is by doing dict1.update by using the update method dict2, and the final result will be stored in dict1. So by printing dict1, you are going to get the resulted dictionaries merged together. And as you can see here, the result is here. You can't assign this to, let's say, next variable. Let's say we want to assign this to merged underscore dict. This will not work. It will return none. So this one downside of using this method actually. So let me quickly print merged dict, and you can see we'll get none. So the result is always in your dict1, okay, variable. And this is a very cool way of doing that. The method 2, which you can also use, is by using the pipe. Okay, so what I mean by using the pipe is you can assign that one to a variable. So let's call this variable merge date, and this will be equal to dict1, and then you use the pipe operator and you bring dict2. So with this one you can quickly print the merged dictionary uh, variable and you get the result. So you can see we got it right here, which is uh, my favorite method so far because it's just quick, and it allows me to also assign this to a variable. Another way you can do this, which will also allow you to assign it to a variable, is by doing using this method where you bring these braces, and then you use asterisk asterisk dict1 asterisk asterisk. So you use asterisk in front of the two dictionaries you want to make together, and when you print this will give you the same result. So these are three different ways of merging or concatenating dictionaries together. Let me know in the comment section which of these methods you like and why do you like it. Thanks for watching, and if you like short tutorials like this, let me know in the comment section, and also share this and subscribe if you have not yet, so that we build a channel together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.